Mga ka-vibes, kasama naman natin ngayon Jairus Aquino para sa Hold Me Close. Jai, anong gusto mong sabihin? Jai and Jai. Wow. Tsari, anong gusto mong sabihin that your movie, ang pelikula ninyo ni Kaloy, ni Julia, part of the 50th edition of Metro Manila Film Fest?
Sobrang grateful kasi syempre hindi naman lahat nakakapasok. It's only 10 movies and at the same time 10 years ago yata yung last ko around Super Inday and the Golden Bee plus Shake Rattle. Super Inday and RPG Metanoid. Tapos parang I did another one pa yata ng Shake. So it's been a while, like sobrang bata ko pa since yung last MMFF ko. So sobrang happy. I mean in behalf of the whole Hold Me cast and crew production staff. No, masaya kami na nakapasok kami sa MMFF and this was actually shot March pa. So it wasn't really made for MMFF but you know, we're glad na nakarating kami dito even though, di ba nakita mo naman yung iba, ang daming cast. Pero kami, apat lang kami kasi it was really shot last March pa talaga.
Totoo. Many are asking, no, namimiss na namin si Jairus, tapos nakikita kanila na may parang love team dun sa series ninyo, di ba? What's next for you? Ano pa yung mga dapat nilang abangan sa'yo sa papasok na 2025?
2025 still, we're going on our 4th book with university series, yung Univercada. Kasi my book is, sa last book pa, yung book 6. So there's still 3 books ahead of me, kaya 2 books ahead of me. So abangan nila yung book 6, but syempre yung Avenue of the Diamonds muna. And another thing is syempre, hindi pa rin mawawala yung ibang trabaho na pwedeng maibigay sa atin.
Totoo, nakikita ka nga namin lagi. Talaga namang parang sabi ko, ay, ang mga bagets dati talaga namang nagbinata na, hindi ba? Tumanda na lang talaga ang Mama Jai. Wow! Oo, pero congratulations.
24 ka lang.
22. Charing! Pero congratulations, Hold Me Close. Salamat.